Bhindi. Bhindi washed, dry whatever your choice. Cut into pieces. Cooking oil hot as per choice. Add bhindi in low flame, fry and dish out. Make masala separate. Simple onion brown. Add tomatoes, green chili, salt, red chili, turmeric as per choice. Fry bhindi, add and prepare masala and dam on 15 minutes. Bhindi masala ready. Serve with roti, salad, raita. Tasty. Recipe omelette. Take cooking oil and put chopped onion. For 1 egg, small 1 onion. Pinch salt and red chili, add an egg and well melt. One tomato small and 3 green chili cut chopped, add in soft onion. Add salt, red chili and turmeric as per choice. Well masala cook and melt egg. Omelette ready. Serve with roti or paratha. Tasty.